How to browse the Adidas sale page and filter deals fast. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are providing you with a step-by-step guide to browse Adidas sale items and filter deals very quickly so that you can find the best discounts very efficiently. So let's get started. We can start by going to the Adidas sale page. So directly we can head over there. We can search for Adidas sale page and hit enter and click on this. After we click on this site opens up where we can look out for the sale or offers link in the main navigation menu here. We can click on it and that way we can look out for the sale. Right now we have a spring sale with extra 30% off that we can look out for it inside the navigation menu itself. And we can just go over and look out for this filter and sort option. We can click on it and here we can apply it up. So here we have sort by option from prices. So price low to high. If you want to select that, or shipping option, we have prime as well. We can select that option. Apart from that, gender and age, what gender and age you would like to apply, such as men, woman, for example. You can select that option. After it is done, you can select up a category as well. Shoes, for example. Let's select it. And then your size, your collection, what collection, for example, gazelle, and your color, your model, and your price, and many more. And you can click on this option called apply. You can just go and filter out this product this way. These are some of the ways you can follow up and you should be able to sort it out very easily. It's for faster browsing and faster navigation, and it will show only in-stock items to avoid items unavailable in your size. You can also use the mobile application and follow the same process and apply the filter and look out for the steepest discounts as well, because sometimes Adidas combines sale prices with site-wide promo codes, and you can check the top banner promotion sections while browsing the sale page itself and filter it out. And by filtering this way, you should be able to get the deals very fast and you can browse the Adidas sales page. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.